Hey, Tooned car fans! Today we have a freebie. Well, it was a freebie to someone in Japan that drank Asahi Kirin? No, Asahi Wonda. I get these all mixed up. So Wanda's a canned coffee beverage there in Japan, and this was literally clicked onto the rim of one of those cans. So you gotta remember, free toy. It's not gonna be the greatest thing in the world, but I find them to be pretty nice. I didn't get this free. I had to buy it myself. Let's see what's going on here. So I have a few other cars from this collection, I think. Sadly, oh, here we go. Sorry, got a dry throat here. I think I reviewed a few of these other ones. You'll have to, you know what, maybe I haven't. So this might be a different collection entirely. Yes, I think it is. So the question now is, we're looking at this 06. So this is the, no, never mind. We're looking at this one. It doesn't have a date. I think this is the promo car. So this is, I think, maybe the president of Suzuki at the time in 2006, where Suzuki decided to join the World Rally Championship. Maybe at the, I don't think it was the top tier of the WRC, but maybe it's the second tier. Yeah, sorry, I can't read any of that. So, it does say 2007 here. Yeah, so maybe this came out in 2007. I don't know. Leave a comment if you know. Maybe it came out the year after. Okay, well, yeah, I mean, it's a tuned car, so... But it still actually looks like the photographs because the car isn't too long in real life. Alright, let's see what details you get in a freebie. So you got these 5-spoke wheels. They're blanked off because these are toys. They're afraid kids are probably going to step on them. And they're pullback toys that go actually very fast because these are rubbery tires. You'll notice the rear tire is much taller than the front one as well. Looking at the livery here, this is all paint. It's not decals. So I always complain in my realistic videos, why are expensive brands using decals when even a free promotional item with a can of coffee that probably costs $1, maybe $2 at the most, why does this have tampo printing all over it, right? It's everywhere. It's on every surface. So, yeah, I'm going to continue complaining about decals until they're banished from the realistic looking models. Really nice texture here, very fine. It's also up here. The Suzuki logo is molded in there. You got some silver on the headlights. Nice crisp painting there. Just some smooth black venting there. It's really glossy, this paint that they're using. I wonder if they even clear coated this afterwards. Just an opaque black windscreen. And then the banner here looks really nice as well. Little box for air to the pilots, I guess, and co-pilot. Yeah, nice tampo print there. This wing is actually passing air. It's a separate piece. Door panel cuts are okay. No side mirrors. Taillights are painted alright. This is all blacked out. Yeah, look at this fading paint. It's really cool. This little tab is just holding the rear of the bottom in place, and then there's a screw holding it there in the front. So it's nice that you can buy this used without any packaging and realize it's from the Wonda Rally Japan collection. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a date on the bottom, so I don't know really when this was made, but... Alright, let's take a look at a few other ones. Alright, let's see. So this is the same casting, it looks like, but it actually has the racing livery now. This is definitely scratched up and abused. But, oh, well, interesting. This has actually got clear lenses. I don't recall that. I guess this actually is a different mold because, yep, this little black line is actually molded in. I guess it's a different year Suzuki SX4, but it's also a Wonda Coffee promo. Or is it? No, it's not. This must be like a Suzuki dealership model. It actually has treaded tires. But I'm sure it's made by the same, factory that makes this Wonda one because the tap and the screw structure are the same. The size of the tires, actually the tires look identical. This next one is a 4-door version of the SX4, and this is a Wonda one, so it's nicely printed. Tampo printing all around, very cool. And now this, I don't know who or where this thing came from, but it's one of the Pikes Peak hill climb cars called the Aereo. and I just have some Chorokyu wheels on it, because I think the Hilcon car might have had 5 spokes or something. So it's really plain looking, but it's cool. This car in real life is awesome. It's really neat. Alright, another Wonda is the Suzuki Cappuccino. This one I swapped out with some Hot Wheels wheels and stuff. So it's cool. It's got a little cartoonish cockpit. And then for Chorokyu, we have an old one here. This is the Suzuki Mighty Boy or something. What does it say on the bottom? Yep, the Mighty Boy. I believe that's a Suzuki. So this is a really old casting, of course. It's from somewhere around 1980. So yeah, it looks like a cartoon in 3-dimensional form. Chorokyu is advanced quite a bit, but they're overpriced. This is a Chorokyu Zero of a Suzuki Alto Works. This one is from, it's pretty old though, it's 2020. Actually, it's not that old, it's only a few years old. What I don't like about Chorokyus are these silly coin holders, you know. That might have been fine on cheap ones, but these things are way too nice to be ramming into walls, I think. They should just get rid of these coin holders. So, the Wondas, I think, look a lot better because you can actually see the whole rear end of the car. There's not a giant rectangle there. Just get a little Bandai Gashapon Zeong up here. So, yeah, you might be wondering why I didn't swap out the wheels. It's because those tires are glued or something to the wheels. So, wheel swaps aren't really capable if I destroy the tires, right? So, I'm just going to leave this thing the way it is. So, that'll be it today. I appreciate you guys watching. If I see any more castings from these Wonda folks, I will pick them up. Alright, see you guys.